हाय गाइस, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे क्लास 8 का इंग्लिश का पेपर सब्जेक्टिव टाइप। तो चलिए आइए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, राइट अ पैराग्राफ ऑफ 10 सेंटेंसेस ऑन हाउ टू यूज योर पॉकेट मनी एफिशिएंटली। यूज करेक्ट ग्रामर, पंक्चुएशन एंड स्पेलिंग। We all get some pocket money for our daily expenses. Everyone spend his or her pocket money according to her or his own wishes. But I would like to give you some guidelines on how to spend your pocket money effectively. First of all, make a habit of saving some of your pocket money. It would make you self-dependent in the future. You will not have to borrow from others. Secondly, remember to donate some money to the poor. Thirdly, spend a portion of your pocket money on books that you like reading. Keep these suggestions in mind, will make your life easier and happier. The question number 2 is, write a dialogue of 10 sentences between a pen and a piece of paper on nothing is useless in this world. Use correct grammar, punctuations and spellings. Oh dear, you are looking sad. What happened? Paper. Leave me alone, please. I am worthless here. Pen. My dear, you are the soul of me. I am incomplete without you. Paper. Just you think so for me. People write on me once and then throw me in the dustbin. Pen. You should not be disappointed. You know you are used to make books, notebooks and newspapers. Paper. Yes, but people should value me in every condition. Pen. Nothing is useless in this world. You have your value in every form. Paper. Thank you for giving me the inspiration to live and to be thankful for what I am. Pen. You are welcome, dear. You are my friend and I can do anything for you. Question number 3. Paraphrase the following stanza in your words. Use correct grammar, punctuation and spelling. The right answer is, in these lines, the poet says that water is found in different forms. It is very cold in the pitcher and in a bubble. It looks colorful in the summer. Its color is dark green. Question number 4. Read the given paragraph and create the title और उसकी summary बताएं। तो title है role of education, summary है education plays a vital role in our lives. It reduces our stress and makes us competent. It benefits us in every part of life at any age. We seek knowledge and get benefits from it. It helps to build a career and lead a happy and successful life. Question number 5. Read the paragraph and answer the questions. Question number 1. What should be the title of the paragraph? The Monkey and Fisherman. Why were the fishermen happy? They were happy because they had caught so many fish in their first attempt. Question number 3. Why did they go away after their first attempt at catching fish? They did not get any fish on their second attempt, so they decided to take a break. Question number 4. What did the monkey plan to do? The monkey planned to do the same as the fisherman did. Question number 5. What lesson did we learn from this paragraph? If you try to get yourself into something you don't understand, you may very well be sorry for it. ये था आज का पेपर। अगर आपको पसंद आया तो इसे लाइक और शेयर जरूर कर दें और इस तरह की मजीद वीडियोस को देखने के लिए मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लें। अगली वीडियो तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफिज।